So in this video, I want to show you how to update your Amazon Fire Kids tablet, any models. This is the Fire 7 Kids, but it works with the HD10 and many other ones. So what you need to do is on the home screen here, you need to go into the settings. The settings is this over here. You see, there's a cogwheel. Tap on it once. Then once you're over here in this menu, you need to go down until you see device options. And then finally, you need to click on System Updates. So to know if you need to update your device, you simply need to click on Check Now. Wait. And then you will see over here if there's an update or not. In my case, there is none. So this is why it says No Updates Found. You can also see which OS you're currently running. And this is about it. If you don't have any updates, you don't have to worry about anything. If not, you may have multiple updates and you'll need to click on update many times because it will install an update, then it will wait for you to click again on update. I know it's not very user-friendly to do this way. It cannot install all the updates at once. So yeah, this is just something to keep in mind. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.